We're gonna go get some clips today. Hopefully some bangers. You feel me? Waiting on Brandon right now. It's hot as fuck out. Real fucking hot. There he is. Hop the trunk. What's up, buddy?
Lift it up. What up, child?
Do some bangers today?
Yep.
You sure about that? I don't think he's gonna get some bangers.
Hell yeah.
Rockwell, you know. Tell the fans what they want to hear. Tell them.
They don't want to hear nothing.
No, they fucking hate you.
Just a full-time vacation.
Oh yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Is that so?
That's right, motherfucker.
Yeah.
I ain't playing no games, Keisha.
Play some Pokemon Go?
Hell no.
Why not?
Cause I'm going skating, bro.
Let's fuck skate. Let's go play some Pokemon Go.
Gotta skate before work.
I don't know, fuck Pokemon Go. Everyone hear that? Fuck Pokemon Go. Fuck yeah, this game.
Good. You got the right away, buddy.
We're here.
Figure it out.
Rockwell. We are here.
Ah, see, we're not the only ones at the park. Fucking scooters.
Yeah, fuck scooters, yo. Fuck you and your scooters.
Homies from Hartford, Meriden. Jelly Dones here.
It's rock and roll, baby.
Hell yeah.
Catch you on the flip side, yo. Peace. What's up, buddy? You ready, buddy? Let's get a first try line right here. Come on, first try. Record it. Yeah.
Young Jesus, Minion boy Clay. Turn it up. Let's go get it, G. Let's get it. Trap all day, play all night. This is the life of a, the life of a. Go get her, go get her, go get her. In the club you see a bad bitch point her out. Yeah, you're damn right, you're damn right, go get her, go get her, go get her. In the media, they call me Will Smith. Thing on my side, you can call that Jada. We boys talking down, yeah, we call them haters. I'm balling right now, so we'll get to that later. Be the first to admit I'm such an actor.
I got my insoles on.
These grandpa shit.
I don't got no insoles on though, so it fucking sucks.
Fucking bitch.
Whatever.
Well, the day was cut early. It's fucking raining out. Fuck you, rain.